Hello, my friends. My name is Daniel, and today I will tell you a story about my life. This is a simple story, so you can listen, learn, and practice English. Let's begin. I was born in a small village. It was a quiet and peaceful place. I lived in a small house with my parents and my little sister. When I was a child, I loved playing outside with my friends. We ran in the fields, climbed trees, and played soccer. Life was simple but very happy. My favorite memory is helping my mother in the kitchen. She made delicious food, and I always ate too much. When I was a teenager, my life changed. I started going to a big school in the city. It was very different from my village. At first, I was scared because I didn't know anyone, but slowly I made new friends. I studied hard because I wanted to be a teacher. My favorite subject was English. I loved learning new words and writing stories. In my free time, I listened to music and played the guitar. Music made me feel free and happy. Now, I am an adult. I live in the city, and I am an English teacher. Every day, I teach children how to read, write, and speak English. I love my job because I can help others learn. My students always make me smile. In my free time, I like to go for walks in the park or cook new recipes. On weekends, I visit my family in the village. My parents are older now, but they are still very kind and happy. My sister has children, and I love playing with them. One day, I hope to travel the world and meet new people. I want to learn about their cultures and tell them about my own. Life is full of surprises, and I am excited for the future. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words. Remember, practice makes perfect. What about you? What is your story? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.